Welcome to my kitchen. This broth has been simmering for hours. Pure flavor, pure joy.
I'm ready to serve the finest broth in the city. Baggy counts.
Here's today's noodle team. Bub, Bina, Fiko, and Pingo.
I'll take care of the broth. Slow and steady.
I'll check portions and safety around the hot pots. I'm the official Noodle Slurper! And I'm on toppings and presentation, of course.
This broth needs just a little more time. Perfectly balanced every time.